is day something.
I know, I was gonna say, I don't even remember. But we're at Restoration Hardware with some of our friends.
Dreaming.
And, oh yeah, for sure dreaming. It's so pretty.
Yeah.
I'll show you guys what we're looking at, but it's beautiful.
Just like you.
What are we doing?
Oh, you're recording? I didn't even notice. We are,
It's 12 days of birthdays.
Yeah. Somebody's about to get
Day number 4.
gifted.
Day number 4.
Technically, I am gifted because I got you.
You're so sweet.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. These are probably my favorite, like my favorite segments of Vlogmas. Ready? Come over here. Yes, it is daylight, and yes, our tree is lit. Okay, leave us
Where are
alone.
we gonna go?
Punch box. Be careful.
Oh, this one is thick.
Yeah, I was gonna say that one. You might need to get maybe some scissors or something.
Okay.
Put it down. Oh God, don't make that sound. Put it down, please. Oh crap!
What?
It's a square and a circle.
It's a squircle.
Yeah, I like it.
I did that. I made it.
I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you.
Okay.
You should be.
Okay. Thank you.
You should like it. It's great.
Hey, I'm opening a gift. Right now, it's not my turn. Your turn. It's my turn.
Ace, place. Sit. Sit. Thank you.
We got a toddler, guys. A big old toddler.
We do, and he's the best.
He's 1 year old, but he's full of energy. He's a baby, and he doesn't know he's a baby.
Ace, no biting.
Well, he thinks he's a baby. And
He
acts-
thinks he's about 10 pounds
Yeah.
and like 3 inches tall.
What is he, 86?
This dog is almost 90 pounds.
Yeah.
But he's just the sweetest puppies.
As precious as he is.
He's so cute. Good boy, Ace.
Ooh. Oh, I know what this is. I think, yeah. Coasters.
Those are to replace the records in the Dream Lab.
Super dope. I like a lot. This is my favorite Kanye album.
In case you
in
didn't know,
coasters.
one of Kanye's biggest fans.
No, Kanye's biggest fan,
Oh.
Wes.
Nice.
Mr. Wes.
These are coasters for the Dream Lab.
Super dope, boo. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I love these.
Good. I love you.
I love you more.
Hello, beautiful people. Now is time to prep for the pop-up that we have today. It kind of came out of nowhere, which is awesome. Somebody heard about our business and they had what's called Christmas at the Coffee House tonight. It's in Kingsland, Georgia, which is about 45 to an hour away. So we're gonna leave. It starts at 4. We're gonna leave here probably at like 2:30-ish, just to get there with enough time to set up. But that means I have to package and kind of get all of our stuff together for tonight's pop-up. So let's do that. physically.
We are in Blue Ridge Coffee Shop.
Coffee house.
Blue Bridge Coffee House. We're selling candles.
We are.
Selling vibes. And
Well, they made the vibes.
we made the vibes. We actually brought the vibes. You know,
But yeah, we're
yes,
here. It's a lot of fun.
It's a great day. Bought some cookies from our friends.
Incredible.
We got some, I don't know if you can hear this, but we got some local jazz. Got some musicians next door. It's really cool. Got like a leather shop next to us.
They bought a candle. I'm so excited, and they lit
Buying a
it.
candle in their leather shop.
So cool.
It's pretty dope. It's a great day so far.
It is a great day.
Great pop-up. Glad we came.
Yeah, me too. Hello friends, we are back home. It was a very successful pop-up shop. It was fun. The music was incredible, and the vibe and everything, it was just really nice. We like literally were right next to our friends who own that cookie business, and I think we bought like 6 cookies. No regrets. Wes says no regrets. It was so good. But don't mind me, I'm just laying in bed because I'm so exhausted. But we're gonna wrap up here. We got Chili's tonight, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go watch Hawkeye, eat our Chili's, and cuddle with our dog because I feel like we've just been gone for weeks. At least I have. So Ace has been such a good boy. We stopped and got him peanut butter because that's his favorite snack. Wes always says, Ace texts me and he wants peanut butter. So he texted us tonight while we were gone and said, hey, can you guys give me more peanut butter? I'm out. So we stopped and got him peanut butter at the store, and he's gonna eat his peanut butter while we eat our Chili's. We're gonna watch Hawkeye. Anyways, we're gonna wrap up here and we'll see you guys in the morning.
Wait.
Subscribe, like, comment, ring the bell with Michelle. Subscribe, like, comment, ring the bell with Michelle. Subscribe, like, comment, ring the bell with Michelle. Okay, we'll see you guys tomorrow.